this is the present perfect, and this is the worst. Okay, superlative form. This is the worst film I have ever seen. This is the worst. This is the best restaurant I have ever been to, for example. Okay, to make the meaning stronger, the next part is comparison and contrast, are expressed by the use of the space the with comparative adjectives in parallel clauses. What does it mean? Okay, I will tell you. The higher you climb, the colder it gets. The higher, the colder. Okay, so here we have one comparative and one comparative, but here they are paralleled in these clauses. So the higher, the colder. And here again, the older you grow, the wiser we the older we go, the wiser we become. So again here, the older, the wiser. So if we don't get old, we won't get wise. Okay, this is the point. All right. The next part or point, let me say here. Okay, as and like, are often confused since they can be used for comparisons. There are, however, some differences, okay, between as and are. Okay, so the first one here, as plus adjective plus as, and as much as. Guys, we often use the structure as, adjective as, or as much as to say if something has or doesn't have the same amount of quality of something else as something else. All right, example. It's not as expensive as the other hotel. It's not as expensive as the other hotel. So as, adjective, as. You see the point here? Okay. No. Next one. Like plus noun. Look at this example. He's like a father to me. He's like a father to me. Okay. Like is followed by a noun. Okay. So like a father, like a son. He's like a teacher. He's like a grandfather to me, etc. So like is followed by a noun here, or a pronoun maybe, to say that two things are similar, or two people are similar in a way. Okay, he's like a father to me. He's like a criminal to the police. Okay, as if and as though can be used to compare a real situation, okay, to an imaginary situation. All right, so as if and as though, a real situation to imaginary one. They are followed by a clause. Look here. I felt as if I was floating above the ground. I wasn't floating actually, but I felt as if. You talk as though we're never going to see each other again. Okay? So, again here. Never seeing each other again, which is something will never happen. Okay? Is being compared to the way someone talks here. Again, you talk as though. You talk as though maybe he's saying goodbye, he's having a farewell party or something. Okay, to see each other, we're never going to see each other again. Okay, but sure we will see each other again. So this is something imaginary, okay, compared to something real. All right, two and enough. Two and enough, guys, are indicate degree. Okay, so they modify adjectives, adverbs, and nouns, but here we are concerned about only adjectives. To means more than what is needed. Enough means sufficient. Okay, look at these examples. He is too old to play football with the kids. He is too old to play football with the kids. Too old here means that he is more than, he's older than what we need uh, as a player. Okay, uh, maybe he is like 70 or 65, I don't know, but he's too old to play with us as kids. Okay, the second one here, he's not old enough to watch this program. He's not old enough. Okay, so he's younger to watch this program because this program needs a viewer discretion, I don't know. Okay, so it's not old enough. Okay, and the last one here, it's too hot to wear. It's too hot to wear that coat. Okay, guys, so again here, all these cases talked about adjectives, okay, and how